pulling over?
I'm not driving.
You're not driving, so who's going to shoot you?
The driver of the vehicle. I don't know who he is.
Okay, what kind of vehicle are you in?
He was just telling me back off, please. Oh!
What kind of...
Boulevard, an Adams County Sheriff's deputy deployed stop sticks, which made contact with the front and rear. The female quickly exited the vehicle through the front passenger door and appeared to be trying to move toward one of the Denver police officers. Mr. Escobedo quickly followed the female out of the vehicle through the same door. He grabbed the female, put a handgun to her head, and started dragging her into the backyard of 1540 Meade Street. Officers and deputies quickly surrounded the residence, containing Mr. Escobedo to the backyard. The backyard of the residence was dark, so officers and deputies used flashlights to illuminate the portion of the yard where Mr. Escobedo had taken the female.
Nope, southbound.
South. Drop the fucking gun! They're behind the bushes. They're still going down.
Are they going south, Tana? Where's he? You see him? Where's he at?
I'm with you.
All right, we're here. We're at 16th and Lowell Meade. We've got him at gunpoint.
Come out with your hands up! Come out with your hands up! Drop the gun!
Nope, south.
That way.
Drop the fucking gun! They're behind the bushes. They're still going that way.
Are they going south, Tana? All right,
Cover your fucking hands! Drop the fucking gun! What's the address?
Please don't shoot me!
Denver police, drop the weapon!
one person talk right now. We don't need 18 people talking.
Hey, I'll talk. Hey, this is the Denver police. I need you. Hey, you need to listen. Come out right now with your hands up.
Listen. You guys need to back off and I'll let her go.
Come out right now, sir.
Back off and I'll let her go. Please don't shoot me.
No, we're not backing off. Hey, everybody back up. He's got a gun, yeah? Back up. Back up. Everybody back up. Hey, stop moving. Stop moving right now. Do not move.
You guys back off.
Hey. Back up. Back up. Back up. Get some cover over here. Pull some cars up.
Hey, pull the car up.
Pull the car up.
House locked
Pull the
up.
car up. Everybody back up. Back up.
With you, Knight. Let's go.
Come on, back up. Move back. Move back.
Hey, move it. Go get.
We need a shield. Somebody's got a shield.
Pull your car up here.
Somebody get a shield. Hey, go around. Hey, sir. Hey, you're not. This is not what you want to be right now. The best thing for you is to come out with your hands up.
Slow, get your hands up! Give me your hands!
Back up. Watch. Right here. Right here. Back up, Shane. Back up, Shane. Hey, drop your gun right now. This is the best thing for you, dude. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now, bro. You need to, hey, listen to me, bro.
I'll fucking blast myself too, bro.
Listen to me.
Ceasefire!
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
You good?
Yeah, I think so.
On me. Ready? Let's go.
Somebody get gloves on.
I got gloves, I got gloves.
Someone get gloves.
Move.
Everybody okay?
We're good.
Holy shit.
Thank you very much, guys.
He's got a hostage.
15th and Lowell Meade. Cars stay off the air unless you're there.
Pop this fence right here, pop this fence.
What?
Got the rifle. Go on, go on. Go on, go on. Alright, let's step up, secure that gun. Go. Alright, hey, somebody get gloves on.
Hey, drop your gun right now. This is the best thing for you, dude. I'm telling you. I'm telling you right now, bro. You need to, hey, listen to me, bro.
I'll fucking blast myself too, bro.
Listen to me.
Let's step up, secure that gun. Go.
Let's go.
Pull his arm out. Pull his arm out.
Nah, I don't think it's good.
Denver 460. They've got one. They've got one.
During the scene investigation, 58 shell casings fired by the officers and deputies were recovered from the backyard and alley area. While processing the Ford Explorer, investigators noted the rear passenger window was broken out. 4 spent .45 caliber shell casings and a bag with .45 caliber ammunition were recovered inside the vehicle. In the backyard near Mr. Escobedo's body, investigators recovered a .45 caliber Springfield XDM semi-automatic handgun. The gun was loaded with a live round in the chamber and 5 rounds in the magazine. 2 additional magazines, each loaded with 13 rounds of .45 caliber ammunition, were also recovered near Mr. Escobedo's body. The route of the pursuit was searched by investigators. In the area of 45th Avenue and Federal Boulevard, 3 spent .45 caliber shell casings were recovered.
Listen to me. Listen to me.